How to use a sewing machine for cosplay. Are you ready to bring your cosplay dreams to life using a sewing machine? Let's talk about how to get started on this exciting journey. First, you need to choose a sewing machine that fits your skill level and the types of fabrics you want to work with. If you are just starting out, an affordable machine with basic functions like straight and zigzag stitches will do just fine. As you gain confidence, you might want to explore more advanced machines that can handle heavier materials like leather or denim. Before you start sewing, it is essential to prepare your fabric. This means pre-washing to remove any chemicals and ironing to get rid of wrinkles. This step is crucial because it helps prevent future shrinking. When you are ready to cut your fabric, make sure to align your patterns carefully according to the grain line and selvage, which is the finished edge of the fabric. Pin the patterns securely to avoid any movement while cutting. Now, let's talk about threading your sewing machine. This involves winding the bobbin and threading the needle. Make sure the top thread and bobbin thread work together smoothly. Once you have threaded your machine, practice basic stitches on some scrap fabric. This will help you get comfortable with the machine's speed and stitch settings. When it comes to sewing your costume pieces, the type of stitch you use will depend on the fabric. For woven fabrics like cotton, a straight stitch works best. For stretchy fabrics such as lycra, use a zigzag stitch. To prevent seams from unraveling, always backstitch at the beginning and end of your seams. Cosplay often involves creating unique items like capes, bodysuits, and hoods. Understanding how to sew curves and attach different fabric sections is very helpful. Practice sewing darts, gathers, and hems to shape your costume accurately. Using a sewing machine speeds up the process compared to hand sewing and provides stronger seams, which are essential for costumes worn at conventions and events. From a cultural perspective, using a sewing machine allows cosplayers to personalize their costumes. This contributes to the do-it-yourself spirit that is so prevalent in cosplay communities. The ability to sew helps fans express their creativity and authenticity. Many cosplayers share tutorials and tips online, strengthening the digital subcultures surrounding costume making. Learning to use a sewing machine is a foundational skill that supports participation in these vibrant communities and keeps cosplay alive as a dynamic cultural practice. So grab your sewing machine and let your creativity flow.